Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create your own text channel on Discord. So first we have to of course start our Discord application. Now you have to be an owner of a server to be able to create channels. Right now we are in our own channel which we have created in another video. Now to create a text channel you have to find the section called text channels and tap on that plus button next to it. Now choose a name for a channel, for example phones. You can choose if you want this channel to be private. We're going to keep it public, and if you're done simply tap on this button in the top right corner. And now as you can see we have created another text channel on our server on Discord. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.